Put those bigger exhausts on there. Got rid of the puny ones. So what I do today, I ground down everything, repainted it with just the primer. I mean, this is what I found under there. I mean, it was worse than this. I just did a little bit on there, and it's looking better. Just now I need a light coat of Bondo. Okay, I used this, and this was struggling. So, I mean, like, see, that's where I haven't finished it yet. That's where I started. There's where I haven't. Look at this crap. It's full of paint. It's just thick paint. So, that's what I did on that today. I took the windows out. So, get ready for painting and welding and stuff. I hadn't done this side yet. I did do these two windows though. Well, this window. This one's just rolled down. You don't need to take it out. But yeah, that's what I did. So, yeah, still working on that. I cut it out, and I, got it nice and good. Ready for it. I got some steel. I'm gonna try to use this on the heater channel. It's pretty thick. It's quite nice. Pretty strong. Uses some support. And we ordered the heater channel kit for this car, so that's that. And well, catch you later. Bye.